Back.
New op pack in the air, guess what? He'll still be alive right now if you niggas ain't gas him. Give my shorty stingers and guns, I tell them slap for nothing. Everybody with this gang.
What is up and what is poppin', gang? I am back with another video. Schmedio. Girl, you know the vibes. And I'm just looking so seeing like a little caramel frappe. What are you talking about? But anyways, I am back with another video, and I hope you guys are enjoying my new intro. I thought since we're so close to 300k, it's only right, we gotta level up. We are continuing to elevate ourselves, continuing to grow. So I thought a new intro was needed. But today, as you can see from the title and the bonnet, we are back with another hair install. Today, I'm pairing with a brand I've never paired before, WigginsHair, to bring y'all a beautiful install. And the color of this install I've never done before, so I'm super excited. In the package, they gave me some cute lashes, and I've tried these before from another brand. They're so cute. They also blessed me with a silk scarf. I can never have enough of these, and it says WigginsHair, and it's so cute, and it's silk, and you can set your lace with it. So we're gonna put this aside because we're gonna use that later. Last, they gave me this really nice silk bag to keep my wig in with WigginsHair on it, of course. And then we got a little bald cappy on us. So I am very thankful for pairing with WigginsHair. So let's get straight into it. This hair is a vibe, y'all. Look at the color. So I will be doing a ginger install today. I actually just washed this and it's still a little bit wet. I let it air dry for like 20 minutes, but it's still not, it's kind of dripping. But as you can see, here's the frontal on this wig. It is a ear to ear 13 by 6. It's going back 6 inches. You're gonna have a lot of parting space. You're gonna have a lot of versatility with this wig just because it is a water wave wig, which means if you wanted to straighten it, you could. If you wanted to wand it, you could. There's a lot of stuff you can do with this. You also can just achieve a really beautiful natural look by just washing it and letting that natural texture shine through. Make sure to stay to the end of this video because there will be a coupon code revealed throughout the video that you can use to get some money off. So make sure to stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get into this install. So I already have my bald cap on like I do many times. Basically it just takes a really long time to do bald caps, and doing it off of camera, I feel like I just can be a little bit more focused and really achieve a beautiful skin like bald cap. Now, if you want more on this, I have a lot of other installs and a lot of other specific dedicated videos showing you exactly how to do this, doing it step by step. So if you want more on that, don't forget to check it out. Next up, we are taking our trusty Fit Me powder and any makeup brush just to color in this bald cap. I want it to look literally like a layer of my skin, so that way when the lace seeps through, it's gonna look like skin. It's not gonna look a little discolored. It's not gonna look off. It will look flawless. So this is a very important step. So I'm just gonna go ahead and color my whole bald cap in. I'm then going to take my alcohol so I can disinfect this comb because, girl, combs can get super dirty and just have a lot of nasty glue on it, which can really make your install just look a little bit messy. So make sure you're cleaning all the tools you use, all the brushes, all the combs, all the glue, everything. And I'm just going to put a little bit more on so I can run this across my forehead. Even though I already did this before putting on the bald cap, I'm gonna do it again just so I can make sure that where I'm gonna lay the glue, which is going to be on the edge of the bald cap in my skin, is completely clear of any dirt, oil, sweat, anything like that. So now that we have a full covered bald cap, my ears are exposed, everything is good and clean, we can move on to actually taking our glue and applying our one layer of Ghost Bond glue. I like to just take that tissue with alcohol and clean off the top because this can get like a whole bunch of hair on it, and because it's super sticky. So just be careful for that. But, oh, girl, I almost forgot. We need our primer. Before we take that, girl, we need our prime because this stuff is super bomb. Like, I really like this stuff. So I'm just going to roll this on. I do about 2 layers of this. Basically, it just primes your skin to be ready for this glue. Helps with irritation, helps with that tension just between the glue and your skin. So I definitely recommend finding a glue primer that is going to work for you if you are just getting into lace. It's not necessary, but as you go and improve on your journey of perfecting a wig, you're going to see that there's a lot of little tips and tricks that can help you out in the long run. So if you're looking for a nice hold and you're just looking for a very good base, then you're going to want to get a wig primer. This was only like 10 bucks. I got it off of an Instagram vendor, but there's so many different kinds, so just look out for that. Also helps to really melt that bald cap into your skin so it looks like your skin. Like, look at that, girl. So quickly hand dry it. It dries really quick, but just give it a little boost. We're gonna move on to our glue next. Girl, I know I look so tan, like you don't gotta tell me. I got my AirPods in because I'm listening to music while I do my install. So I realized like I always put my glue like here, but I never put lace there, so it kind of defeats the purpose. So I'm gonna move that up. And I'd say if you're just starting out on wigs, then ooh, girl, I just got freaking glue all over there. Oh, that's so annoying. Okay, so glue, the thing with glue, wig glue, if lace is not covering the glue will then turn into a mess. If lace is not over your glue, that excess glue is really just going to become super dirty, and it's going to like change the color of your lace, just like dingy, and it's just going to make your lace look, no. So make sure wherever you put glue, lace needs to be on top of it. I see a lot of people put like the dots all over their forehead and then they spread it and then they cut their lace in a pattern, and it's like, well girl, all the parts that don't have lace on top of it, like that's just glue sitting on your forehead. And that's not good, because first of all, it's gonna become a mess. It's going to ruin the life of your lace front, because no, it's just not it. So make sure you're being careful. Go in sections, only put glue where you're gonna put lace. I'm like doing this for so long, I know exactly how to cut my lace. I know exactly what my head pattern is, so that's why I do it in the specific like zigzag type of pattern. That's how I'm about to cut the lace, and I don't want extra glue on my forehead. I've never paired with Wiggins hair before, and I'm excited to see how the quality of the hair is going to look. By looking at the hair so far, when I washed it, some curly units, you can just tell by washing it, that first initial wash, that the hair quality is trash. And I did not experience that with this wig, because the hair is still super silky, especially when you put like water on it. The hair will turn super silky, and if it's not real human hair, it'll kind of be a little bit more coarse. This hair was super silky, so I can confirm this is 100% human hair. It is a 24-inch, so you're going to get your length for this wig. Like, this is very beautiful. I can't wait to see how it looks like when it completely dries. And also just the lace initially, I did no plucking to this. I just parted it. And I always part my wigs when they're wet because it's easier to mold and to flatten everything down. So always wash your wigs before you put them on, so that way if they're not good, you can take them back. I'm gonna go ahead now and just dry this down really quick. It is drying already because Ghost Bond dries super quick. But I'm just gonna finish it off, dry it, so then we can apply our frontal. I will have this hair linked below, so you can go ahead and shop with it. It's looking really good. Here is the lace on it, and we're gonna get into it. Ooh, I'm already knowing. This is gonna be so cute. Okay, first things first, we need this exactly in the middle of our head. So let's see, move a little bit back here. This is about to look so cute. Oh my gosh, this is about to look cute. This hair is bomb. Bomb. So first I need to cut out my ear tabs. Don't worry girl, you're gonna cut out hair when you cut out your ear tabs. Just don't cut on a track, because if you cut on a track, then that can really just change the whole structure of the wig, and it will cut out like chunks of hair. As you can see, my ear is now fully exposed. This hair is so soft, and it smells so good now. Also a tip, because the wigs, when they get wet, I don't care who your wig is from, it's going to have it doesn't smell good. So how to deal with that, you can take some Dr. Bronner's like soap, because Dr. Bronner's soap is super scented, grabs onto bad smelling things and just completely transforms it. So I use the lavender Dr. Bronner soap, and I use that to wash this hair, and I just wash it with shampoo. I don't use conditioner because I'm gonna put a leave-in in this hair, but I don't use conditioner, so I wash it with my Dr. Bronner. Okay, so next step. Now that the wig is on and everything is all good, like, oh my god, this hair is so cute. I'm going to take my Wiggins scarf, right? Lay this down so that the wig is extra laid. The wig is extra slayed. We're gonna lay it down with the lace on, and I'll be back in 15 minutes to melt and cut this lace. Also, a little tip, while you're waiting for this to dry, go ahead and clean up your area, because this is not as sweet as it seems. Things get a little messy, so we don't want that. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my workstation, and we could be back. Like, look at this wig, girl. Hello, baby girl length. Like, this hair is bomb, so I'll see y'all in 15. Boom. So it's been about 15 minutes, you know, and now we remove, girl, this thing's laid. So now what I'm going to do is cut this into 4 sections like I always do. Now I want to slay this, so unfortunately I'm gonna go off camera and cut this so I can really like be in my mirror like this, you know what I'm saying? So I'll be right back when I'm done cutting this, but here's how it looks right now. You're gonna want to shop. You're gonna want to shop with Wiggins Hair. Like, go right now, like right now. Use my coupon code, get the money off, sis, and buy it. You need it. So I'll be right back. This is just, it's crazy. It's crazy. Like, I'm shook, to be honest. I'm really pleased at how beautiful this hair is. But right now I want to add my edges. Y'all know I stay on my edges, girl. Now I'm going to take my little edge control, and then cut. Okay. Y'all, this is literally just like so perfect. It's so perfect. I'm now taking a smaller brush and just a powder that's the same color as my skin, and I'm going to fill in my part to change that color from more of a white to more of like my natural skin color. Okay, I'm then just going to take this curl defining spray gel and spray that in so I can scrunch it. Here are these curls, so beautiful. The last step of this tutorial is just creating this bump right here, I guess. I don't know. I know y'all see it on every slayed frontal, just that uplifted like frontal look. I'm gonna do that with my wand. Really get in there and kind of just like bump that up. Like, girl, what? This is so cute. And then just pressing the top down. And here is this finished wig from Wiggins Hair. I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. Definitely something that you're gonna need for the summer. So do not forget to shop with the links below. I love y'all so much. Thank you for just being here for me. Thank you for giving me hope and strength and believing in me. I love y'all so much, and I will not let any one of you down. I love y'all, and I'm sending my positivity and blessings your way. See you next video.